Welcome to Risk Awareness Week 2022. This presentation is titled, How to Develop a Risk Management Plan and Actually Use It. My name is Mark Powell and I'll be presenting to you today. I'm a consultant with Atwater Consulting. Our primary services at Atwater Consulting are in project management, systems engineering, risk management, and decision making. As Alex Sidorenko will tell you, Alex is the progenitor and the organizer for all the risk awareness weeks that have happened. Risk management is all about making good decisions. And of course, that folds into project management, systems engineering, and risk management as well. Our service arenas are commercial, defense, energy, environmental, medical, and space. Commercial covers a wide span of different commercial entities, A&I firms, A&E firms, wind farms, beer manufacturers, a wide variety of things, including the big four consulting firms. In defense, we're talking about the DOD, MOD, and IDF, and all of their contractors. Energy, clearly oil and gas, Department of Energy, and their contractors as well. Environmental, primarily DOE and EPA and their contractors. Medical has primarily been working with some hospitals, doing systems engineering for some hospitals, and some risk assessment, risk management, and specifically for medical devices. Risk management is extremely important for medical devices, especially if you want to get FDA approval. And we've been working in space and aerospace for numbers of years, everything from Apollo all the way through to the Constellation program. I began working personally in risk and risk management in the mid-1970s. In fact, if memory serves me correctly, it was 1976 when I developed my very first risk matrix from scratch. And that was using a lot of critical thinking, a lot of math, and a lot of statistics. That was the way I was taught to develop risk matrices. I didn't know they could be developed any other way until later. And of course, for Risk Awareness Week 2020, I did a presentation on how to develop a risk matrix from scratch. I'll talk about that in a little bit more. I served the International Council on Systems Engineering as the Risk Management Working Group Chair for a number of years, and then subsequently served them as a director on the Technical Operations Committee, overseeing the Risk Management Working Group and a number of other technical risk management other technical working groups. I've authored many technical papers. They all involve risk management, and decision making. Now, one of my claims to fame, and if you want to say actually a hallmark of my career, has been that I have worked on problems that seem to be impossible to people. Impossible problems. I've solved these problems in every single time I've been challenged with them. It's just a case of people have completely given up. And many of these technical papers, or I'll say a few actually, are posted on the Atwater Consulting website. They all involve risk management, and decision making. And most of these impossible problems that we're talking about have lain fallow because people gave up on them. They laid fallow for perhaps anywhere from six months to 2 years. Yet after we developed some quantitative risk assessments to help with the decisions were made very quickly and very comfortably, and started saving a lot of money. In several cases, we actually established the state-of-the-art for solving a number of these problems. As I say, there's a sampling of these papers published on the Atwater Consulting website. I recommend that you look at them. They are very detailed articles, such that they can be reproduced, and every single one of them has been reproduced multiple times. The results have been reproduced, which is very comforting. Another hallmark of my career and just my raison d'etre is that I get inspired by sharing the knowledge that I have and sharing how to do the things that I do. As a result, I've taught numerous formal courses at a variety of universities. These courses have primarily been graduate level courses. I've